Hello, my name is Dr. Sonia Couto and I'm the consulting phytotherapist for the Learn to Live project. And today we're going to be talking about self-care, because at Learn to Live we know that moms and teachers and all working people really struggle to find the time to take care of themselves. So we're going to teach you how to make this beautiful bath salt. As the name suggests, the main ingredient is our coarse sea salt, but our secret ingredient is actually Epsom salts. Now, Epsom salt is just magnesium sulfate, and its name comes from a small town in the UK. And magnesium, as we all know, is brilliant for muscle aches and pains. But did you know that it's also used for 325 biochemical processes in the body, which help the heart and the mind? So it's really a necessary thing for us to function well. Also in our bath salts is the wonderful mint, which gives a tingly sensation to the skin, our lemon balm, and our lavender, which can help us to fall asleep at night. You are, of course, also welcome to use essential oils in your bath salts, but these are our main ingredients that we focus on. And all you do is you add 2 tablespoons to your bathtub, or you can put them in a little muslin bag to avoid having to clean up all the herbs after your bath. And you can soak away, relax, breathe deeply, and replenish yourself for the next day. So we hope you enjoy this recipe, and for more recipes, please check out the YouTube channel, Instagram, and our Facebook links that should be on the screen right now. And we look forward to seeing you at our next video. Thanks very much.